something that is going to help these kids that have looked, but only they were baby cool, and they want to be better baby cools. But not they were Juliana, they want to be better Julianas. And the only thing that can sustain this industry is UPRS. You revenue your fee. We need to sensitize it. We need to let everyone know that building a good house without a fence is like living in a compound. Tuzimbe nyumba nungi, muimbe nyumba nyingi, nungi, video nungi. But they ask you, where is your shop? What will it is not there. Who is your collective society? Ha, mwana mizigo, cowboy yako, kawavu akono. Now that's a problem. We need to change our mindset. We need to start thinking business. You are paying for the song, you are paying for the audio, you are paying for the video, and then you are about to pay for the listener. Because if it is empowered, if it has a team that can fight, people are ready to pay, but they don't know how to pay, where to pay, who to pay. Katufe sensitizing abayimbi tugenda ababa nanyini bubala bungi nnyo munyonyeyo waliwo kalisiti ke bajja okuleeta bawe basasule kuba kijja tuyamba. When an artist is sick tuleme kubeera mubiri bannaye mujje tukole kawoti tusonde sente. That is vulgar. Tutandika okugamba no UPRS erinawo. Actually Mzee Kawito, this is my request. UPRS should put something as an insurance for the artists. When people get sick, it is so sad for people to start collecting money for Rakadin in Zambia. That means we are weakening the industry that is strong. Whenever collecting for that lady, people collected 60 million in one day. And what happened? Stories after. Never even said it's about our valuation, our addition to any value that we have should be a strong collective society, strong associations, and a strong response in mindset. Because of whoever was cheated by UPRS long time ago should not be crying now. There was maybe a problem. They didn't have enough reinforcement power. They didn't have enough protection. Some bars are owned by very strong people. Other bars are owned by musicians who even resist. But let us make it a must pay. Imagine taxis paying, buses paying, hotels paying, TVs paying, and radios paying. We'll be making 68 billion a year. Because there are 321 radio stations. There are 47 TV stations. And that is just the beginning. Because for them, the TV is kiriza. We're not going to use force. We'll go back to our partners in UCC. Aka paying for the industry. No matter what they say that they are not playing Ugandan stuff, somewhere, somehow, they are talking about Ugandan stuff. And the Ugandan stuff, who makes the news? The artists. Imagine a program on TV. What TV would that be? Imagine a program only talking about politics. Tell you. Politics never take our are you getting the point? So what we want to do is let us know the strength of this industry.
Creative arts must be paid. And this is the first public meeting of UPRS to say